it on my back. Take a deep breath in. Hold the breath. Let your head fall. Hold the breath. Relax your shoulders. Changing it up a little bit.
Good job, man. Let's go. Okay.
That's easy.